Therapy. It's one of those words that stirs up a mix of feelings, comfort for some, curiosity for others, and yes, maybe even a little intimidation. I get it. For something that's supposed to help, it sure comes with a lot of mystery. Do you lie on a couch and pour out all your deepest secrets? Is your therapist sitting there silently judging you while furiously scribbling notes? Or do they have a crystal ball and tell you everything about your life? Spoiler alert, it's none of those things. Today we're pulling back the curtain on therapy to separate fact from fiction. Whether you're considering therapy for the first time, or just curious about what really goes on, we're about to bust some of the biggest myths. Let's dive in. Let's start with this biggie, the idea that therapy is only for people in crisis. Nope. That's like saying you should only see a doctor when you're gravely ill or only go to the gym when you're super out of shape. It doesn't make sense, right? Therapy is for everyone. Maybe you're dealing with a major life change, like a breakup or a career switch. Maybe you're feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or just a little stuck. Or maybe you just want to understand yourself better and grow. Therapy helps with all of that and more. It's about building mental muscles, not just fixing problems. Think of therapy as a safe space to explore, grow, and strengthen your mind, kind of like having a personal trainer for your mental health. You set the goals, and your therapist helps you reach them. No crisis required. Ah yes, the classic image, you lying on a couch staring at the ceiling while your therapist asks, "Tell me about your mother." Look, if you want to lie on a couch, go for it, but that's not the norm these days. Modern therapy is super flexible. Depending on the approach, you might focus on solving present-day challenges, building tools for the future, or yes, exploring your past, but only if it's helpful to you. There are so many types of therapy. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, helps you spot and reframe negative thoughts. Solution-focused therapy, it's all about practical, actionable steps. And there's even art therapy, where you can express yourself creatively. No two sessions or therapists are alike, it's tailored to you. Here's another big one. People think therapists hand out advice like a to-do list, but therapy isn't about someone else telling you how to live your life. Therapists are guides, not bosses. They're there to ask the right questions, help you see things from new perspectives, and offer tools and strategies to navigate your challenges. But ultimately, the breakthroughs and solutions come from you. Also, let's get this straight, your therapist isn't judging you, at all. Seriously, you can't shock them. They've heard it all, and their only goal is to support you in a safe, judgment-free zone. And finally, let's bust the myth that therapy is this endless commitment you're stuck in forever. That's just not true. Therapy can last a few sessions, a few months, or longer. It all depends on your goals and needs. And here's the best part. Your therapist will help you know when it's time to graduate. Therapy is meant to empower you to stand on your own, not keep you dependent. Think of it as learning how to ride a bike. Your therapist is like the training wheels. They're there when you need them, but eventually, you'll ride confidently on your own. So, what really happens in therapy? You talk, reflect, and grow. You might laugh, you might cry, and you'll definitely learn more about yourself than you ever thought possible. Therapy isn't about fixing broken people. It's about helping everyone. Yes, everyone, live better, healthier, more fulfilling lives. If you're still nervous, that's okay. The hardest part is often just making that first appointment. But trust me, therapy isn't scary, it's empowering. And who couldn't use a little extra support? Got questions about therapy? Drop them in the comments, and let's keep the conversation going. And remember, taking care of your mind is just as important as taking care of your body. Until next time, take care of yourself, you absolutely deserve it.